Kathy's refrigerator broke down. She called the repairman and gave him very simple instructions. I'll leave the key under the mat. Fix the fridge, leave the bill on the counter. And, please don't mind the dog. Oh, and absolutely, do not talk to my parrot. Next day, the repairman entered. There it was, Fido, the biggest bulldog he had ever seen. Muscles like a tank, teeth like daggers, but surprisingly, Fido just lay on the rug, watching calmly. And then, the parrot, non-stop insults. Too slow. Clumsy. No skills. Loser. Try harder. Scaredy cat. Weak. Ha. Missed. Broken man. Boo. Useless. For an entire hour, the parrot threw insults like a tiny feathery comedian on caffeine. Finally, the repairman snapped. He turned and yelled, "Shut up, you stupid bird." The parrot puffed up, paused for dramatic effect, and shouted, "Get him, Fido." Like a soldier waiting for orders, Fido leaped up, teeth flashing. The repairman dropped his wrench and ran faster than he ever had in his life. Through the living room, past the kitchen, out the front door, the bulldog thundered after him. And, of course, the parrot flew overhead, screaming, "Run, loser, run." Kathy came home later, found the fridge fixed perfectly, but the repairman? He never came back for the bill. And the parrot? Still non-stop insults. Thank you for staying with us until the end. Every view, every heart that connects is a little light that keeps us going. See you again in the next story from the Paul Light.